Hello! Chris McDonald here from Behind the Trailer. Today we are going to analyze the trailer for M3GAN 2.0, and we are going to see if there's anything in there that we can learn to become a better editor from. Let's go. Let's check this baby out.
Yes, it's me. What a shock, etc. My path to personal growth has been paved with disappointment. I think we can agree that my biggest mistake was that I cared too much.
Actually, the biggest mistake you made was murdering 4 people and a dog.
Alright, I'm gonna put this in terms you can understand. I'm not the only killer robot. Amelia's stronger than you can imagine. And she's coming after anyone who can stop her. Including you, Gemma. Which, you know, bummer. But to get to you, she'll kill everyone you love. Including Katie. Amelia didn't think of one thing, though. Here's a clue. It's M3GAN, bitch. I take almost no pleasure in this.
Why would you want to help us after what we did to you?
I was programmed to protect Katie. She's the only thing that matters to me.
I guess I must be your chance at redemption.
I'm sure you had no intention of murdering people. Right? Right?
M3GAN.
Hold on to your vaginas. No matter what happens, I want you to know I see you.
M3GAN?
You better believe it, sister. You want me to drive? Huh, strange. Your neurotransmitters tell me you're highly aroused.
Alright, that's enough. M3GAN, stay low. This is supposed to be a stealth mission.
Did you hear me?
The first movie felt like they were marketing at first like almost a horror movie, and maybe the character of M3GAN became so likable. I know like the dance thing was really big. It seems like this movie, M3GAN 2.0, they're embracing what people liked about the first movie. This did not feel like a horror movie. It felt like almost like a superhero movie. So hats off to that to really leaning in to the fun of the movie and making it feel like this big event that you're gonna go and have a good time with all your friends. So I think from a marketing standpoint, it's spot on. Let's talk editorially. This trailer reminds me, one of the things I talk about in my ebook is to understanding the trailer formula. There's definitely a formula. Not every trailer has to follow it to a T, but I think in order to cut trailers, you have to understand what the formula is and then kind of like add your little flair to it. This trailer basically, in my opinion, follows this formula perfectly. And the formula is this. One is you want to start with a hook. Within the first 5 seconds, we see the doll. So right away, we know exactly what this movie is. We're hooked in. The next step is the build. We get a little exposition about M3GAN and the first movie, everything that we need to know. And then it goes into what is it about this movie that makes it different? What's new in this movie? And that's when we see this new robot. She's like, oh, it's not the only robot. And we understand the threat, the stakes that are involved. She's at stake again. Not only just as the little girl at stake, but everybody's at stake. And then the third step of the trailer formula is the drop. Now, this is the moment in the trailer where everything changes. The second we realize that the only way that they can survive this new robot is if M3GAN helps. The fourth part of the trailer formula is the shift. This is where she's kicking butt, and she's fighting against the other robot. The music really kicks in and kind of makes sense, this Britney cue. And then finally, the last part of the trailer formula is the cell. We see the title, and then one of the most iconic things about the first movie was the dance in the hallway. And so of course, this is like a little nod to that of like, oh, check this out. Not only is the robot upgraded, but her dance is upgraded as well. And they end with like a fun little moment to remind you and all your teenage friends like, hey, we're gonna go check out this movie this weekend. It looks awesome. We're gonna have a great time. This trailer's really great. I gotta admit, I'm not a huge fan of the franchise, but this trailer actually intrigued me, and I think it looks fun. I think it was cut really well. I give this one a 7 out of 10. It's a really great trailer, and I think it does a really great job of marketing this sequel.
If you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe or go to behindthetrailer.com.